Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Middle Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by my good friend at Floydian214 on Instagram. Please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. It is also because of my generous patrons, so thanks so much for supporting me. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on some of these stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. And you can follow me if you want to, too. I'm not really as important as the people who actually provide the content, though. And I mean, like, yeah, I know I'm filming it, but I couldn't film it if I didn't have the knives, you know? So, yeah, go out of your way. Follow those people, because they're awesome. In this case, Floydian214. Don't cut towards yourself, folks. That was dumb. It's a good thing that this is in need of sharpening. Okay, we have a very well-packaged box here with a bunch of cool stuff. Thanks for the extra packing material. Seriously, I always really appreciate it when people send stuff, like, packing material that's reusable because, yeah, I ship a lot of stuff. 4 knives in here. More wonderful packing material. Wonderful. Thank you. I also keep the boxes too. All right, hang on. Let's see here. All right. Yes, I'm aware of this. Yes, okay. There is something special in here. Let's see. Okay, so he sent me something else because he couldn't resist. Please feel free to enjoy and use these as much as you want. Thank you, because there's something really, really special in here. There's something that I have not yet experienced, and as a reviewer, you know, I can make assumptions on certain geometries and certain steels based on what I've experienced in the past, but I cannot get away with that with new steels that I have not experienced. So it's always really nice when somebody says, you know, let's go ahead and you know, just go ahead and use it. Okay, actually, I'm going to unbox the surprise one first. Let's take a look here. Yeah, the Spyderco Techno, and this is a special variant. Wow. That's cool. That's very cool. I actually prefer this to the standard Techno with just nothing on the blade. What variant is this? Hang on. Let me read here. All right. There is one other special Spyderco in the Techno box by John McNeese, because this is the way. All right. Well, I appreciate that. There you go. It's a John McNeese special Spyderco Techno. So very, very cool. Give you guys a look at that little emblem there. Very nice. Pattern continues to the other side. Really like the Techno. This is you can't. I always forget that you can't quite get in there, but you can certainly do the flick this way. I like these little chunky titanium knives, and of course, everything that comes out of Spyderco's Taichung Taiwan factory is excellent. All right, I have to look at these because I'm doing this in order. We'll do, yeah. So this is neat. This is actually a knife that I own, right? You can see there, pair of 3 gray scales, and that's because this is a Maximate pair of 3. But he wanted to show me a skinny mod of this knife. There are scales, aftermarket scales out there that make the pair of 3 a little bit thinner. Interesting. Okay, so this is a pair of 3 Maximate. Here's my pair of 3 Maximate. Boy, look at that. It does. There's excess chamfering there, I think, is the main deal. Yeah. The funny thing is that what I'm seeing here is that it's not only is it not skinnier, it's actually a little bit thicker. But I'd be lying if I said that initially I didn't feel like this was thinner. And it's something that I always say. I mean, like, the thickness is going to be what it is in your pocket. But how your brain perceives it will ultimately affect whether or not you enjoy it more or less for those attributes, right? In this case, we do have excess chamfering on these very beautiful micarta scales. And I think that's what he said this was. This is the skinny variant. Yeah, because these are original ones. But yeah, that's really nice. I think that's really, really cool, and it'll give me something to talk about. I might be able to do a comparison between the Lynch clip, since now we have both. The Lynch clip and the MXG Deep Carry clip, which, by the way, guys, are the 2 very best clips that you can possibly get for the pair of 3, and are absolutely recommended over the standard clip on the Spyderco pair of 3, because its position, the clip itself doesn't suck, its position sucks. But yeah, wonderful. Thank you for sending that. Okay, now we've got this guy right here. Let's open this up. What do we... Oh, yes. This is the discontinued tie lock. Now, this is a special edition version of the knife. Do you open it? Yeah, I've seen other reviewers do that. Oh, that's neat. Oh, I like this. That's cool. So I believe these are mostly gone. Wow, this is a, hang on. I know you guys are like, what the heck edition of that is it? Hang on. This is the Elemental edition with hematite inlay and some fancy elemental design in the milling. Okay, so that word for word, that's what he says there. So that's neat. That's hematite or hematite on the inlay. Neat. It looks like it protrudes and it might bother your hand, but no, it doesn't. How do you disengage this lock? Is it? Oh no, how do you disengage it? I don't know. Do I just push? That can't be. Is that the way? No. No, that can't be right. Well, that one's going to stay engaged until I watch a video and learn how to disengage it. By the time, don't worry. By the time you guys are seeing this, I will have safely disengaged it. But yeah, the other thing that I want to point out here is this thing is ridiculously lightweight. Ridiculously lightweight. Very cool. Chris Reeve, tie lock. Very interesting. And then the cream of the crop here. This is the guy that I really wanted to get my hands on. His wife, I said it's so wonderful that this person said, yeah, go ahead and use it. Because this is Spy 27. I've had 2 people now send me new Spyderco knives with new steels that people are very interested in, giving me absolute freedom to use these things. Now, obviously, I am not a professional. I'm not a metallurgist. I don't have the right type of stuff or even, you know, the mental knowledge to test these things in so many different ways that it's going to yield exactly the right information for you guys. But I can go out and just use them the way that I normally use them and tell you guys what I think about the edge, right? How the edge or how these blade steels and these geometries react to cutting things like cardboard and rope and things like that. So yeah, I've got a few weeks with these guys. I'm going to use them and then I'm going to report back to you guys in basically a pretty generic sense. But it will give me a good idea of, you know, like in this case, Spy 27. And then, of course, I'll give you guys the information or information that I dig up online and sort of compare and contrast and make sure that it's information that is beneficial to you guys, at least in a generic sense. But yeah, this is super cool. Thank you so much at Floydian214. By the way, this is the Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight, which has a much better pocket clip that comes stock versus the stock version of the Para 3. But yeah. Very, very cool. Very much appreciated. Can't wait to talk about this stuff with you guys. In any case, that's going to be pretty much it today. Follow at Floydian214. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, let me just scoot mine in there. There you go. Follow me if you'd like to. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.